tutor and companies. My name is Sergio Carmelo Villalba Suarez. I am 35 years old. I'm from Cúcuta. I live in Cúcuta. I am a nurse. My hobby is listen to music. My life, wife, my wife, Yahaira, and my son Andres. I study radiology, technology, and diagnostic images. My favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite TV series is the Blacklist. My favorite sport is soccer. My daily routine: 8 up, I'm high in the morning. I take a shower. I go to the dining room to have breakfast. I say goodbye to my wife and my son to go to the hospital where I'm work. I must enter at 7 o'clock. During the morning, I attend patients until the 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then I go for lunch for an hour. Continuing attending patients until 7 o'clock at night, when the chef ends the hospital. Reuter how they shower, speed to the dining room to eat with my family. We watch TV. At 10 we go to sleep. Bye bye.